Hey everyone, as you can see I'm in my E39 today and we will be applying interior trims, which you can see over here. This is how they came in. I haven't even unpacked them yet, so let's do that and see what we got here. I hope it's in good condition as the seller stated, but it can be anything. Nice, it's in good shape. So I think we can start with installing it. So I've got this tool to help me open everything up. So I think let's just start by removing the ship knob, then this part, okay, so the old trim is out. We need to take over a few bits to the new trim because it's missing those. For example, this, and yeah, I think it's only missing the ash. That's pretty much it with the old one. We can take it out to have some more space in here. And I did find a treasure in here. That's €2 cheaper car for me. Yeah, but while we're here, we should take out all the dust and dirt in here just to have that clean feeling when inside the car. So let me get the hoover and we'll be back in here. Now since it's clean, now we can install the new part. I will start by inserting all the small pieces. This one. That was easier to get it in than get it out. Okay, we do have these two buttons in, we have this in, so time to put it in place. Oh, also before I forget, this needs to be wired in. That's for the lighting of the ashtray. And time to put the ship knob back in place. Here we go. This is how the center console looks like compared to the wood trim over here. Okay, let's proceed with the front end wood trims and also the front door trims. Piano black looks just so nice in sun. You can see all the sparkles, and that's a good upgrade compared to my wood trim that is cracked. You can see a whole lot of cracks there and there, and also on the sides. So we will upgrade the quality and also the looks of it. So from this to this. I still need to do it for the rear doors and for the passenger side door, and I'll show you the final result when I'm there. Okay, so all of it's done. Let me focus. Yeah, that's piano black. It sits perfectly with grey interior. It's like a transition to the black pieces that are on top, like center console. Start liking this grey interior more and more the further we go. Also, we need to swap over the steering wheel. Hey! Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the interior as much as I do. It's really coming together, and make sure to hit that like button if you like the video. It really helps me a lot. Just motivates me to upload more often and just think of more content for you guys. And yeah, E39 is getting there. I'm still waiting for the M bumpers from the local seller. He's supposed to get those in a week time from now, maybe. So I will get them to the guy who will paint them, and then we'll bring them over to the car and apply the front bumper. And also looking for the hood, but it's really hard to get a good hood in a good shape, and I don't want to put a rusty one since all the car is rust free and I just want to keep it clean. That's the whole point of this build, just saving an E39 in good shape. If you like the video, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and wait for the upcoming content, which will be coming in soon, since I have quite a few mods coming in to this car and also the E90, and possibly I'm buying another project car, so stay tuned for that. However, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.